I'm back. It's Katrina, aka Cat again, and here is my base. Man, this is gonna take forever. And I got roosters here crowing in my yard. Yeah. Anyway, so I've upgraded most of my defenses. I got my wizard tower up to level 2. And notice that you cannot even get to level 3 unless you go to Town Hall 6. This is why people like to upgrade their town halls fast, because they realize that they can't do anything much. Your walls can only get to level 5 at this town hall. And I was so upset the last time when I noticed that you can only get a clan castle up to level 3. Up to level 2 on town hall 5s. Is this a town hall 5? Yeah, my town hall is a 5 right now. Anyway, of course, you can upgrade your wizard towers up to level 6. You can upgrade your cannons up to level 6. And your air defenses up to level 3. That sucks. And it takes 3 days to upgrade the air defense. Man, that sucks. Anyway, so my clan has been telling me, Cat, you use a lot of giants in your attacks. Why don't you try using archers? Well, let's see. Today, I want to see what they're gonna do. So I've got my whole thing full of, all my army camps are filled with archers here. And they're only level 3. I got a couple balloons in here. Should I just make it all archers? Anyway, the balloons will just be there so that I don't lose any more trophies, because I still haven't gotten up to 1,250 trophies to get those gems yet. Anyway, I got 3 hours left. I really didn't want to use the 3 hours, but here we go. I'm gonna go. Can we find a match? Can we find a good match? I don't like it. Okay, this might take a while. Hold up. Okay, this one doesn't look too bad. They have the air defense on the outside. Let's work this out. Man, this might not go good, but it's whatever. Let's see. I'll use... I figured there would be like... Yeah. So there's 100 and something archers, man. Let's go on this side a little bit. What? Nigga, these archers dying. What are you talking about? They saying archers are good. Where? Bitch, where? Where? Oh man, these archers are dying. They die so nice. Look at that. Well, that was bad. Oh, they suck. You lied to me about archers are good. Archers are what? They ain't nothing. Archers suck. Box. All right, come get that town hall though, man. At least I got 67%. Man, archers suck. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're gonna die. Well, at least I didn't lose. Oh, that sucked. Oh, well, 115 archers and 3 level 6 loons. Okay, well, we're gonna try barbs now. So I had a whole bunch of barbs cooking. So we're gonna request some loons here just to make it fair. Loons. Yes. Okay, well, those barbs are done. We got some... We have some level 6 loons in the clan castle, and we're gonna go find a match. And this may take a long time too, so pause a sec. I think this is about where that last one was, yes? So let's work this out. I think I might drop these somewhere over here. Oh boy. Got some bad bobs up in there. Yeah. Let's drop some on this side too. Who knows? Okay. I don't know. I'm just spreading them out because, I spread out the archers a little bit. So, like, okay, just do this too. Hello. Okay. Well, this seems to be working much better than the last one. Come on, get him, get him, get him! Okay, good. This might be a 3-star. Here we go. I did not think these barbs were gonna... Oh! We still got one. I did not think that these were gonna work. Get it! Get it! Get it! Bam! Those barbs took it down. Okay, so barbs are better than archers. That's for sure. That's for sure. And I got them trophies. I might... Wait a minute. I got 200! What? I got 1,250 trophies, finally! Thank God! Claim that reward. Hey! Yes! Let's get that builder hut. What? Let me get... Where's that builder's hut? I got to get that thing. Where is it? Where did it go? Oh. I just rest that somewhere. Nice. Good. I finally got that. I'm so proud. Now I could build something else. Yes! We gonna go upgrade. Let me see, what else do I want to upgrade? Well, that's gonna take a whole day. So let me do this army camp over here. Let's see. Let me see. I probably could... I don't want to do that. So, I think I'm going to do the army camp because the army camp's 8 hours. So that should finish like tonight. How much is this army camp? 250. Okay. Okay. So I'll do these. I'll do this army camp. I already have my barracks upgraded. Well, this one's up to level 7, and that's the highest you can go here. So I got the wizards unlocked, and the wizards are up to level 3. All my research is pretty much done except for this guy here. I don't like goblins, but I will upgrade them just to say I did. And if I have elixir to spare, then go ahead and do it. I hate goblins though. Ew. Nah. That's how they sound. Anyway. Oh man, I should have cleared those trees first. Might have get some more gems. I'm proud. I just got those 450 gems, man. Finally! Hope you enjoyed the video. This is Katrina, aka Kat the Gamer Girl, signing out, baby.